Well, this is a very common problem of Hyperx Pulsefire Haste mice, like it disconnects every now and then when you are using it. Especially when you are gaming, it's pathetic. So the problem is basically the cord. You need to replace it as soon as possible to get the best use of these mice. But there is another solution that might help you. So you just need a metal wire or the steel wire. I used cat 5 cable for this. So what you need to do is you just have to spiral it over the cord. The main problem is basically here, so we have to make sure that this portion of the wire stays still, and boom, your problem should be solved by now.